is a smartphone which has created a buzz in the market, and which is that? It's better, it's faster, it's stronger. And it is TECNO's new smartphone, Pova 6 Pro. Can you see the light blinking at the back? This is the USP of this phone. So is it really better, faster and stronger? Let's find out. But before that, quick look at the pricing and then the spec sheet of the TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and then we give you a quick review. So first up, the design of the phone. The design of the smartphone is indeed unique by all means. As you can see, it's a photolithography design. The back has about 200 LEDs which are customizable lighting, which gives it an amazing look. You can see the light blinking here. And what's more surprising, this phone has 6000 mAh of battery and it still manages to be among the sleekest smartphone out there. The 120Hz AMOLED display enhances the visual experience and the gaming is also enhanced. Dolby Atmos adds on to whatever we see on the screen, and yes, the audio of the smartphone does sound very impressive. Hear this out. So yes, this is the Pova 6 Pro 5G from TECNO that's been launched, and this phone is different because it has an ARC interface. Like you can see the box, it's all mentioned here. This is how the box looks like. Let's just quickly unbox this and show you what's inside the box, and we'll also show you the new Pova 6 Pro 5G smartphone. So this is the phone. The specifications are very clearly written here, but we'll tell you more about it a little later. Well, moving on to the performance and the battery of the Pova 6 Pro, 24GB RAM and 256GB gives ample space for multitasking and for more storage also. And it was a breeze to use this one with no lag, no heating. 6000 mAh battery with 70 watts of charging makes it good to last the longest with exhaustive usage. And gaming was indeed, like we told you, impressive to be playing on this smartphone. Moving on to the camera, well, this one has a 108 megapixel rear shooter accompanied by 2 megapixel portrait camera, and it offers about 3x sensor of zoom. Daylight and artificial light photos are stable, colors are popping. In low light photos were a little grainy though, and at this price point it is still a great camera though. We clicked some photo samples. Here is the look, and let us know how do you find them. Now moving on to the selfie camera, yes, it has a dedicated dual tone camera flash, so one can adjust the brightness and the color tone while you're taking a selfie for a perfect selfie shot. Now time for the verdict. Should you be buying the TECNO Pova 6 Pro 5G or not? Well, there isn't anything major that we have to complain about this smartphone. The low light processing for the rear camera should have been better though. Rest everything makes it a strong contender to be a mid-range all-rounder smartphone. So not a notorious one, but yes, it is indeed a great smartphone compared to other brands in the same price segment. Quite a win for this phone. And before we close this review, take a quick look at its pros and cons that I figured after using this phone.